Situated on Saudi Arabia's western coast of the Red Sea, Yenbou is famous for its advanced petrochemical industry. The Yenbou Aramco Sinopac refining company, jointly established by China's largest oil refiner Sinopac and Saudi Arabia's oil giant Aramco, is here. Over the years, its RAF has been a good example for the energy cooperation between China and Saudi Arabia, with its smooth operation, advanced technologies, and high efficiency.
China is well-proven technology. They make everything. We can always make a very successful story together, and we can, as Saudis, gain a lot. The Sainupic and Saudi Aramco representation, we started from zero. We established the whole company here. It's not only construction, commissioning, procedures, but also we even modified the original design in a way that we made it very flexible. We recently, for the last, let's say 1 year, the economy is really supporting the refining business. We start really feeling the benefit of the exercise of working together as Sinopic and Saudi Aramco in this regard.
In August this year, Aramco and Sinopac signed a memorandum of understanding to deepen their long-term cooperation through joint ventures. The two companies will join hands in renewing vitality and scoring new progress in China's Belt and Road Initiative and Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030.